Hi, my name is Dean Gales. I teach collision repair at Manual Career and Tech Center. So, in the collision repair program at Manual, we really target three different industries with your training. One, of course, the collision repair industry. Second would be the welding industry. And third, the insurance adjuster industry. Students learn how to steel weld. Students learn all of the different process of collision repair, and students learn how to write estimates, which will open them up more for an insurance adjuster type of industry. So my background in collision repair goes all the way back to my high school days. It actually gave me an option, a way to take care of myself, earn money for myself. I got lucky. I figured out I like cars. I got good at it. And I've been able to take care of my family and provide myself a decent living doing this. So the program is an extremely hands-on program. The curriculum is specific when it says 30% of your time in the books, 70% of your time in the lab, in the shop, actually doing the process. A thinker. You don't have to be the world's greatest anything. You've got to be able to follow instructions, think, but mostly you got to like cars if you're going to work on cars.